Did you know that nuclear fusion is the same process that powers the sun? Scientists have been working for decades to harness it for clean energy here on Earth, and we're closer than ever. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey to explore the incredible potential of renewable energies and nuclear fusion. As we all know, climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and finding alternative sources of energy is crucial to mitigating its effects. That's why it's more important than ever to understand the capabilities and limitations of these innovative technologies. Renewable energies and nuclear fusion have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate power, providing a cleaner, more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of nature, whether it's the sun, wind, or water, we can reduce our reliance on finite resources and create a more sustainable future. As we delve into the world of renewable energies and nuclear fusion, we'll discover the latest breakthroughs, advancements, and innovations that are shaping the future of energy production. From the scientists and researchers working tirelessly behind the scenes to the game-changing technologies that are being developed, we'll explore it all. Solar energy has been around for decades, providing clean power to millions of people around the world. But did you know that the earliest recorded use of solar energy dates back to ancient Greece? The Greeks used solar power to heat their homes and even built elaborate systems to capture the sun's rays. Fast forward to today, and we've made tremendous progress in harnessing the power of the sun. Wind energy is another renewable resource that's gained significant traction in recent years. From massive wind farms that stretch as far as the eye can see to individual turbines powering homes and businesses, wind energy has become a mainstay of the renewable sector. But have you ever wondered how wind turbines actually work? It's fascinating to learn about the science behind these towering structures that are generating clean energy. Hydro energy, or power generated from water, is perhaps one of the most ancient forms of renewable energy. From hydroelectric dams to tidal power, humans have been harnessing the energy of water for centuries. And nuclear fusion? Well, that's a story that's still being written. For decades, scientists have been working to harness the power of nuclear fusion, the same process that powers the sun. In the 1950s, the first nuclear fusion experiments were conducted, marking the beginning of a long and arduous journey to develop this revolutionary technology. Since then, scientists have been working tirelessly to overcome the technical challenges that have held us back from harnessing this clean and virtually limitless energy source. In recent years, advancements in renewable technologies have accelerated at an unprecedented rate. From the development of more efficient solar panels to the deployment of massive offshore wind farms, the pace of innovation is breathtaking. And in the world of nuclear fusion, breakthroughs have been coming thick and fast. One of the most significant advancements has been the development of more powerful and efficient fusion reactors. These reactors are capable of sustaining nuclear fusion reactions for longer periods, generating more electricity and paving the way for commercial-scale power plants. Another area of research that's gaining traction is advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. By developing new materials that can withstand the incredibly high temperatures and pressures inside a fusion reactor, scientists are able to build more efficient and cost-effective reactors. In addition to these technical advancements, global collaboration and investment have also played a critical role in driving progress in the field. From the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, ITER, project to the National Ignition Facility, governments and private companies are investing billions of dollars in nuclear fusion research. Despite the many advances, however, there are still significant challenges that need to be overcome. One of the biggest hurdles facing the renewable energy sector is storage. How do we store excess energy generated by solar panels or wind turbines when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing? Another challenge is infrastructure. Building out the necessary transmission lines, roads, and facilities to support widespread adoption of renewable energies is a massive undertaking that requires significant investment. And then there's public perception. For some people, the idea of nuclear fusion is still shrouded in mystery, raising concerns about safety and environmental impact. In the face of these challenges, innovators and policymakers are working together to find solutions. Governments are implementing policies to incentivize the adoption of renewable energies, such as tax credits and subsidies for wind and solar farms. At the same time, researchers are developing new technologies to overcome the storage and infrastructure challenges. For example, advanced battery systems and smart grids are being developed to manage energy distribution more efficiently. International collaborations are also playing a critical role in driving progress. Organizations like the International Energy Agency, IEA, are bringing together experts from around the world to share knowledge, resources, and best practices. As we look to the future, it's clear that renewable energies and nuclear fusion will play an increasingly important role in our transition to a low-carbon economy. From the scientists and researchers working behind the scenes to the policymakers and innovators driving progress, we're inching closer to a future where energy is clean, sustainable, and accessible to all. So what's next? As we continue on this journey, it's essential that we stay informed, stay curious, and stay committed to creating a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. If you want to learn more about renewable energies and nuclear fusion, be sure to check out our other videos on energy innovations and environmental sustainability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.